Let's pronounce this word precursor. Precursor. The word precursor is primarily used as a noun. Here's a detailed explanation. Noun meaning someone or something that comes before another and indicates or influences its development. In science, a substance from which another is formed. Its synonyms are forerunner, something that comes before and paves the way. Harbinger, a sign or indication of something to come. Predecessor, something or someone that existed before another. Its antonyms are successor, something or someone that comes after another. Follower, something that follows in time or order. Outcome, a result or consequence, often seen after a process. Learn English with Orcja. Let's see some sample sentences. The typewriter was a precursor to modern computers, revolutionizing written communication, and it was one of the wonderful inventions of the era. Dark clouds and strong winds are often a precursor to a thunderstorm. I like thunderstorms. Do you like it? If you like, write in the comments and tell me. The invention of the steam engine served as a precursor to the Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.